Welcome back to another video. So today I have so much stuff to do, like I don't know if I'll have time, but we're just gonna get straight to it. Check this out. So I went to the junkyard, right, and I found this little piece right here that I needed from a 4-door. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing too, so I'm gonna put it back on. So it's just a fuse like cover, so I need to put this back on the car. And then check this out, my dad actually went to the junkyard and he actually found me a button, and hopefully this one works because I need to install this to see if my window can actually like go back up and down, because mine is broken and this actually feels the same thing too. Like I don't know what's wrong with it. I guess they're all like messed up or something. And check this out, look, I got a mirror from the junkyard and this one looks way better than the one I have right now, because look, this one's mine. And you see that like dryness on the corner right there? Yeah, it looks bad, so I'm gonna install this. And then I also got a new light right here because mine has like a crack right here and water seeps inside it, so I'm gonna replace that, and it's this left side right here. And I have like, I don't know, mold or gunk in there from the water, and especially when it rains too, so I'm gonna install that. So let's stop talking and let's hurry up because I have to do all that, test it, and then I have to sand the MR2. So let's do that because I have to install all that you just saw right now, and then I had to sand the MR2 because our engine is like almost complete and we still haven't finished sanding the car. So I need to hurry up and finish that. Joseph's gonna be helping me out today because this video is mainly gonna be like the headlights, so I need to hurry up and finish all that before he gets here, and he gets out like at 2, and I only have like a few hours, so I need to hurry up and install this so I can get my stuff on the car. Yeah, I need to hurry up and do that and get everything on the car, and then I have to go and sand as much as I can. Luckily we bought a sander. Hey Siri, remind me to pick up Joseph at 2 o'clock. You didn't talk. Why didn't she talk to me? I feel like the lighting's trash. Look, bro, lighting is trash. Bro, look at this. You see that crack right there? That was the one I was talking about. Mold or dirt. Now I'll get rid of this. Check that out. Brand new. God damn, bro. God damn, that look clean. Oh, God. Yo, I'm sorry. You was good to me. This is what my mirror looks like right now. It's not the best. There's like, I don't know what you would call this, but I'm gonna change that off with this one. This one looks a lot better. This is my mirror right now. There's like this weird, like, I don't know what you would call this, but I'm gonna take this off. Now it's pretty easy to take off, I'm not gonna break it. Oh shit, that's hot. Ouch. So here's the old one, and then here's the new one. This one's a lot darker. This one's just bad. This one has a bad mirror. This one has a bad mirror too, but it's not like too bad, so I'll put this one on. Okay, so I put the plastic piece back on. I had to take off the screw and then put it back on with the plastic thing on. And now I just need to put the screws, then it should be good right there. And the plastic piece, obviously. New mirror, who this? And it works too, so it's fine. Nice and secure, so it won't fall off. This looks way better than this one from the outside and inside. This one was just messed up so bad, and I didn't like this, how it was faded here. I just need to clean this now because the mirror is a little bit dusty. I should be good though. That looks better. Let me see how it looks like from that. Oh yes, say less. Look at how good that looks. Doesn't look like this no more, where it looks like it's trash. No lie, I'm gonna miss you. We've been together for so long. I'm sorry you had to go. You just don't look good no more. It's not you, it's me. Something that I didn't do last time was to actually just like plug it in and see if it works or not. So I'm gonna do that. I just have the motherboard on right now, or connected, and I just want to see if it would go up or down, because I was thinking if it's the plastic piece, then I would rather just like leave it like this when it's like right here, and then I'll just like push it down. So that's up, this one's down. Let me see. Or I might be stupid, but it's plugged in though, so shouldn't it work? I just want to say I'm pretty retarded because you need the car to turn on. Freaking dumb, bro. Of course. Oh my, you're dumb. Please don't radio.
And this year
all right, let's try this again. What is that noise? Oh, so this one is up, this one's down. Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello. Yeah, food.
I didn't sand the bumper or MR2.
That's fine.
I'll sand it right now. Oh, no. Do you know what I was thinking? I was just thinking of rocking it like this. So then when I'm in the car, I could just pull this thing down or up.
It works like that? So it's just a button?
I think. See? works.
I like that noise.
I don't like how it shakes. I'm sorry, I didn't even like show you guys. Look. The window works. But right now what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna like put everything back on, like just a plastic piece, and then see if it's like fine or not. Because if it's fine with the plastic piece on, then that means that the window is gonna work regardless. So let me do that real quick. Okay, let's try this one more time. I got the plastic piece on, the buttons. Key is on this time. Yo, let's go. Hey yo, can your car do this? Oh. I thought it got stuck for a sec. Okay, so I have the old one right here and I just want to test it out to see if like it works or not, I guess. So I'm gonna plug it in real quick, see if it does like something or a difference. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. This thing broke. Maybe that's why it wasn't working. What? Or maybe I broke it from pressing it too hard. Cause look, there's like a piece right here that I guess aligns it right to the thing. It's right here. Look, it's not supposed to be there because it like, that's where it locks onto right here. There's like a hole that it connects to. It makes it stay in place. Damn, it's a good thing. Oh, wait. Oh, then I can't use this button because the other button that I have on the, I guess, new one, it's kind of shady. Wait. Yeah, I can. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna change it up real quick. Because this button, the one I had on my old one, is better than the one that I got from the junkyard. Like, here's the old one, or the junkyard one, and this one's mine. So I'm gonna switch this out. I don't know if you can tell, but this one's like ripped right here. So I'm gonna switch it out real quick and test it again. Hey, we're getting there. We're getting there. We have an issue here right now. So try to take out the button for the new one from the junkyard, and it has the same issue, bro. This thing broke. I don't know if it was, wait, yeah, I think it was broken already because when I was flicking the switch, that side was like weaker than this side, the right side. The button's like broken now. I'm gonna see if I could super glue it, that way the button stays in place and it's straight, so when I lower the window or raise the window, it like doesn't move. I'm gonna see if I can find super glue to fix it. If I can fix it, then I'll probably fix this one too, because that's dumb. This is probably like a common problem that this thing has. That's why they're always breaking. So the issue with the thing was I had to glue it. There's like a centerpiece that holds it in place in the middle, and I glued that part. So now it like won't move as much. And now let's test it. Oh, you should have seen me earlier. I plugged it in on my car without the keys inside, and I was like, why isn't it working? Duh, there's no power. All right, ready? All the way down. Man, I'm about to cry right now.
Why does it stop?
I'm about to cry right now.
Slow. When it gets here, it's like, ooh.
Oh, because I wasn't holding it. You have to like hold it.
Oh.
Finally, oh my gosh, after the whole day, bro. It's literally been the whole day of me fixing this. Yeah. So now I can put everything back. The only problem is when I was like pushing it down, the piece on the side right here, the left side, it's like you have to like push it in, because I feel like it's gonna come off again because I just super glued it. It's because there's like grooves where it like connects. Like, let's say for example this is the button, and then there's like grooves on the side right here, or not grooves but like an indent where like the thing stays in place. That way when you push it down or push it up, it doesn't move. And when I was pushing it down right now to lower the window, it felt like it was up like this. It wasn't like in place because this piece right here is like broken. I'll probably have to re-glue it again and fix it, but at least it works now. That's all I wanted to do, just go up and down. Oh, want to see